Meet Vessel Camp Supplies. It contains 70 pieces of essential gear, all perfectly organized into 8 neatly labeled screw-top containers and housed inside an indestructible, waterproof LED light. Each Vessel Camp is completely watertight and made from military-grade aluminum, keeping all the gear inside secure and dry. Vessel Camp Supplies, the world's most versatile outdoor adventure gear.
Introducing the RINO Ready Companion, the world's best 2-person, 72-hour emergency survival system. Stocked with over 40 life-saving products, the RINO Ready Companion is built to withstand anything that comes your way, big or small, giving you unparalleled access, versatility, and organization when it matters most. For the last decades, when you think of preparedness, pretty much this, leaving you vulnerable and unprepared. And that's exactly why we started RINO Ready, because you shouldn't have to compromise on quality, especially when your safety and the safety of those you love are at stake. So regardless of your climate or geo, we've got you covered when adversity strikes. The Companion features the toughest waterproof and fire-resistant materials, a rigid exoskeleton, and military-grade Hypalon attachment points, giving you ultimate carrying capacity. Now, let's take a look inside. Stay connected with our 3-in-1 phone charger, radio, and flashlight, powered by crank or solar. Breathe easy with our N95 masks, along with heat-reflective UV guard goggles to keep your vision sharp. With a sturdy multi-tool and 550 paracord at the ready, along with our full tang blade and fire starter, you will be well equipped. Stay hydrated with these 3 options: tablets, sachets, and boiler. When things get tough, our kit has you covered. And if you ever need additional assistance, we are here to help with the most compact, comprehensive survival guide out there. When things get a bit colder, stay warm with 3 layers of protection, 2 pairs of winterized work gloves, and 4 hand warmers. And when the lights go out, you're powered on with a flashlight, headlamp, glow sticks, and stormproof matches. If you get hungry, our Daytrex US Coast Guard approved food rations are non-GMO and nut-free. The RINO Ready Companion Survival System uses unmatched quality with an ultra-compact design to fit seamlessly into your daily life, ready at a moment's notice. So, whether it's in your car, home, or office, bring us along for the journey.
With the Surviveware Responder 72-hour backpack, a preparedness system that does the thinking for you, with quality tools, gears, and supplies that are all housed in an organized bag, enabling you to see all your gear at a glance. Included in this bag is our legendary first aid kit for bumps and scrapes along the road. Once you reach safety, make shelter your priority. Anchor down and secure. Make shavings for your fire, perfect for strains and sprains. To patch up and construct new tools. To attract attention and get found. To secure and fasten. Stay up to date with weather forecasts. Make fire in extreme situations. Kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Plan ahead and stay on track. 2 food pouches with a total of 3,600 kilocalories per person. 2 water pouches with 9 water packs per person. 2-person pouches that include wipes to stay clean and fresh. Goggles to protect against smoke and dust. A whistle to attract attention to stay warm at night. For hygiene and wounds. To stay safe. To dispose hazardous materials correctly. Stay as dry as possible during downpours. Keep your supplies safe in a water-resistant bag. This bag has everything you need to take your preparedness to the next level. And because this backpack is so well organized, it becomes your guide during an emergency.
The Hybrid 3 combines survival, medical, and gear repair supplies into one lightweight and compact kit. With dedicated pockets for each section, plus a handy pocket kit for shorter trips, I like the Hybrid 3 anytime I'm carrying a lot of gear into the backcountry and want to keep my rig simple and organized. Carrying a combo kit doesn't mean you're compromising though. The survival supplies in the Hybrid 3 are as good as any pre-packed kit you'll find. The LED headlamp is a great backup to a high-powered lamp and is more than capable on its own to light the trail or your camp at night. Plus, a mini rescue flash signal mirror and slim rescue howler whistle send audio and visual signals for miles, while the Firelight fire starter and waterproof Tinder Quick get a fire going in any conditions. On the other side of the kit, the expertise of Adventure Medical Kits shows in the smart selection of bandages and dressings to stop bleeding and close wounds, as well as the right array of medications to treat allergic reaction, pain, inflammation, and fever. The Hybrid 3 is a true all-arounder, and for most trips, it's the only kit you'll need.
With RediBags 72-hour kit, your first line of defense against the unexpected. The 72-hour RediBag contains everything two people need to survive for 3 days, including an emergency tent, thermal blankets, ponchos, and food. A fire starter, water filtration system, LED flashlight, and solar-powered radio and cell phone charger are also included. In a non-disaster emergency situation, the 72-hour RediBag doubles as a first responder's kit. Most people don't think of themselves as first responders, but if your child gets hurt at home, you're their first responder. The kit includes a tourniquet to stop life-threatening blood loss and medical supplies to treat cuts, allergic reactions, heart attacks, and much more. In a vehicle accident, a glass breaker and seatbelt cutter may be the tools that save a life.